guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use this DUS Spring Hair on Amazon. It's in the description below, and I'm going to use this to make butterfly locks. So when I start off the butterfly locks, I fluff out the hair, and the hair was pretty soft compared to other spring twist hair, because spring twist hair has like a texture to it. And so I use the Cuban twist hair as a base, and I wrap around the DUS Spring Twist Hair around the braid. When wrapping around the hair, it wasn't a strain on my wrist because sometimes it could like circulate over my wrist and cause knots. And it was soft like I said before. The thing is that when you fluff it a lot, it tends to have like little flyaways in the butterfly lock. But overall, it brings a nice shine and it's really soft to work with. One thing in general is that when you're finishing the butterfly locks, or even when you're doing it, don't wrap around the hair too tight because it tends to stick, and then you would have to use steam to loosen it up. Yeah. So as you see me wrapping, you can see that it gives like a distressed butterfly look instead of like those neat butterfly locks with a couple of loops. So if you want that type of look, spring twist hair is always the best go-to. So we're getting towards the end, and I just wanted to say that this style took about 2 out of 6 packs of DUS Spring hair. So yeah, you get a lot of hair for the price you pay. And these are the finishing touches. If you like the video, and subscribe for more braiding content if I post. Later.